welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. I am so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be doing a sweet potato and apple breakfast bowl. So something a little bit different for breakfast. It's not oatmeal, it's not eggs, it's yummy, it's nutritious. I know it's got a lot because of the sweet potato. It's got a lot of fiber, which will help get you through the day. So let's get started. All right, we're going to use our frying pan on the stove, and we're going to add in a half cup of water, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, a cup and a half of diced sweet potatoes, which is roughly one large one, cup and a half of Granny Smith apples. These are the green ones. This was one large one, but usually about a cup and a half. Just use your best judgment on that. So that goes in here. I'm going to give this a quick stir just to get everything blended together. And this is going to cook for about 15 minutes. You want to cover it. Make sure your heat's on medium-low and cover it for about 10 to 15 minutes. You just want to make sure that your sweet potato is tender to a fork. Now, while that's cooking, we're going to make our sauce. It's going to go on top. The sauce is really simple. It's 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup and 2 tablespoons of tahini. It's kind of separated at first, but as we stir it up, it's going to make this delicious, drippy kind of sauce. And you can see how yummy that looks. Okay, so still waiting our 15 minutes or so for our sweet potatoes, and then we'll come back and finish it up. All right, it's been 14 minutes. These sweet potatoes are a little stiff with my wooden spoon, so I'm gonna give this another 2-3 minutes, and then we'll be good to finish it up. All right, we're gonna check these sweet potatoes. Oh yeah, much better. These are good. These are good to go. I'm going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of raisins, and 2 tablespoons of walnuts. And I am just going to break these up just a little bit more as I put them in the pan here. Now, all we need to do is put our sauce on top. And just get this mixed in. That's going to give it a yummy sweet flavor. This is going to serve 2 people, so double it if you've got 4 or if you want leftovers, and breakfast is served. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.